Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to self-release your sacrum or your sacroiliac joint. So if you're having a lot of pain in your sacrum, which is kind of like this base of the lower back, then you may be having some tension there, maybe some muscle tightness, and this is a really great tool using the orange Franklin ball to help hydrate the back of your pelvis, encourage more mobility, and just create space. I think a lot of times when people have tension or pain in their SI joint, they tend to be more of a butt clencher. They tend to hold a lot of tension back there. So it's just really important that your muscles have the ability to elongate, to lengthen, so that that SI joint is not in this compressed and tight position. So for this, I'm going to show you two methods, the orange Franklin ball method, and then I'll also use the foam roller to help, again, lengthen that area. So you're going to lay on your back and you're going to put this Franklin ball in the middle of your sacrum. You're going to put it right in the center. And you're going to lift up. Actually, we're going to start with just going side to side. So you'll place the Franklin ball there. You're just going to go side to side. Again, you're just using a nice, soft, hydrating ball to relax those muscles. Do that a few times. Again, you might feel some tender spots, which that is totally normal. And then now we're going to have you lift up both your legs. So this might require some balance, but again, we're just going to go side to side. So you have to use a little bit of your abdominals with this, but just use your hands onto the mat to help stabilize yourself. It's kind of massaging a little bit into your glutes as well. Great. All right, so that was the Franklin ball version. Now for the foam roller, it's going to be a little bit more easier. So if the Franklin ball is a little bit too hard for you, I'd use the foam roller. So you're going to place the foam roller underneath your sacrum. You're going to lift up both of your legs. You're just going to drop your legs side to side. I'll have you do that a few times. I love the OPTP foam roller. This is the extra soft brand. I will also link that below. It's my favorite because it really helps hydrate your tissues and it just feels really nice. You can do that for about 10 to 15 times. And then you can release. Awesome. So those were two different versions. So we have the foam roller one, which again is a little bit easier. And then you can use one Franklin ball to help massage. Now, if you're going to use a ball to help massage, I would not recommend using like a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball because it's going to be a little bit too hard. So just stick with something that's more soft and squishy. That's going to really help those, the muscles, the fascia, really melt and relax. So those are my two tips if you are wanting to help relieve any of that sacroiliac joint pain.